Hi, we all need n8n for free. Today I will discuss with you how to download n8n for free for life. So we will choose Docker desktop. We need to download. Okay, choose which one. Some devices working with AMD 64 and some devices working with ARM 64. For me, this is one. Which one is working? Okay, download it and install it. After installation of Docker, you need to download WSL if he give you a notification that you need. If you don't need that, just open, give it administration permission and open it. Easy. Then we will go to cmd and we will write this command like this. If he give you like this, so it's working. After that, we will make Docker like this and make it copy and download. After downloading, this will take a while. After downloading, it will open normally with you. We can open from here and it will come to you here under images. How to get it work? Okay. After that, you will come here and make run. It will come here. You need to make this details. After here, come here and make an optional. This is n8n host 5678. We need to add this like this. Then hit run. After hitting run, okay, it will be like this. And you can enter normally through your local host like this. It's working now. In the beginning, you need to make a username and password, but after that, it will enter automatically. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a like and share. If you want anything in n8n or any blueprints, please let me know in the comments.